Welcome student. In this video I am going to start chapter number 7, permutations and combinations. Now suppose you have here three colors, red, blue, black, and two items, pen and pencil. First you have to choose one color and then one item. That means you can take red pen, red pencil, blue pen, blue pencil, black pen, black pencil. So we have total 6 way. Now this process can be reconsidered as, first we have chosen color. Now we have three options available with us. That means color can be chosen in three ways. And items, we have total two items. That means items can be chosen in two different ways. So the total ways are 3 into 2 is 6. This principle is known as fundamental principle of counting. If an event can occur in m different ways, like color can be chosen in three ways, following which another event can occur in n different ways. Here item can be chosen in two ways. Then the total number of occurrence of event in the given order is m cross n. In the same way here 3 cross 2. So answer is 6. Now exercise 7.1, first question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming that the first part, repetition of digits is allowed. Second part, the repetition of digits is not allowed. The first case, when the repetition is allowed, you have to form 3-digit numbers. So I have make 3 blocks here, right? Now digits, total digits available are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means they are 5 in number. So this place, it can be filled in 5 ways. Now repetition is allowed. So again this place can be filled in 5 ways. Also repetition is allowed. So this place can be filled in 5 ways. So by using fundamental principle of counting, the total ways are 5 into 5 into 5. Answer is 125. Second case, when the repetition is not allowed, again we have to form 3-digit numbers. So we have drawn 3 blocks here, right? Now repetition is not allowed, but for first place we have total 5 ways. So it can be filled in 5 ways. Now since digit cannot be repeated, so now we have 4 digits available with us. That means this place can be filled in 4 ways. Now this third place, it can be filled in 3 ways. So by using fundamental principle of counting, the total ways are 5 into 4 into 3. Answer is 60. Question number second. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 if digits can be repeated? Now you have to form 3-digit numbers. So make 3 blocks, right? You have to choose digits from these 6 digits. So total digits available are 6. Now the condition is you have to form even number. Now for even number, last place can take the value either 2 or 4 or 6. That means this place number, let it be 1. It can be filled in 3 ways. Now digits can be repeated since the repetition is allowed. So we have total 6 digits with us. So this place can be filled in 6 way. In the same way, this place can also be filled in 6 way. So by using fundamental principle of counting, the total ways are 6 into 6 into 3. Answer is 108. Next question number 3. How many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet if no letters can be repeated? Now you have to form 4-letter code. Make 4 blocks here from first 10 letters of English alphabet. That means this place can be filled in 10 ways. Now we have no letters can be repeated. The repetition of letter is not allowed. So the place number 2, it can be filled in 9 ways. Place number 3, it can be filled in 8 ways. Place number 4, it can be filled in 7 ways. So by using fundamental principle of counting, the total ways are 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. This is 5040. Question number 4. How many 5-digit telephone number can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each telephone number start with 67 and no digit appears more than once? That means repetition of digit is not allowed. First you have to form 5-digit number. Make 5 blocks. Now it start with 67. Whenever you are going to have condition, you will start from that place only. That means here you can take only 6. So the way to fill this place is only 1, that is 6. So here ways is 1. Again here you can take only 7. So the option available for this place is 1. Now 0 to 9 total 10 digits are with us. 2 are used, that means we are left with 8. Since repetition is not allowed, here it can be filled in 7 ways and this place can be filled in 6 ways. So the total ways are 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. This is 336. Given 5 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if each signal require the use of 2 flags one below the other? Now we have to use 2 flags one below the other and we cannot repeat the flag, right? Now total flags available are 5. That means for first place you have total 5 ways. This event second place can be filled in 4 ways. So total ways are 4 into 5. Answer is 20. Now example number 4. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags in order, one below the other, on a vertical staff if 5 different flags are available. Total flags are 5. You have to use at least 2. Means either 2 flags or 3 flags or 4 flags or 5 flags. Whenever you have or, you will take addition sign. Now for 2 flags. Total flags are 5. So this place can be filled in 5 ways and this place can be filled in 4 ways. So the total ways here are 5 into 4 is 20. Or 3 flags. For or we have addition. You have now 3 flags. It can be filled in 5, next 4, next 3. So 5 into 4 into 3. Answer is 60. Or means again addition. 4 flags. Now the first place can be filled in 5 ways, second place can be filled in 4 ways, third place can be filled in 3 ways and this place can be filled in 2 ways. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Answer is 120. Or means again addition. 5 flags. So we have 5 options. This can be filled in 5 ways. Second place can be filled in 4 ways. Here you have 3 choices. Here 2 and here 1. So the total ways are 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Again 120. Add all these terms. Your answer will be 320.